We will be discussing how to get more profile visits in Instagram. Most people think that like, comment, share saves followers, so how good your page is, but it matters a lot. Like, comment, shares do have a different role in profile visits. They are only about 68% correct. The other 32% is the best metric. Look at the screen. This is called the profile visit. You will be getting the analytics here. So, what are profile visits? Profile visits indicates the total number of times your profile was viewed on Instagram. This is important because it shows whether you are doing everything correctly or not. It gives the total analytics. This matrix keeps changing every 24 hours, so that you must check it every day to measure your growth. The growth should be measured in a daily basis. It will gives you the total record number of total views, likes, comments and so on. This is called the information of profile visits. Furthermore, here's how you can get the best out of this metric. The best, highlighting the word the best, talking about make your profile pop with very fresh information. Complete the description in your Instagram bio to tell the potential customers more about your business, customers/services. This might include your website, sales or giveaways you might be offering or events you are hosting or boosting. Second one, create quality photos and videos. Be sure you create the quality content. Quality the king, content the kingdom. Remember that. Create quality looking content, since the creators have the first impression on which leads to more followers after that. The longer recipe stays on your platform, the longer the recipe people stays on your platform, the more Instagram trends that will reward you. Hence, Instagram says the longer the people stays on your platform, your post, your stories, your insights, yes, the more trend they will reward you. Third one, connect with your client/customers. Encourage customers/clients to tag your business in their post, so that people can see the post from the customers using your product or services in the wild. Look to reach out the more people by using hashtags in your caption. Use a suitable hashtags and a better hashtags. Hashtags should be around 6 to 10 maximum. Moving on, share stories and shows your brand personality. Highlight the word brand personality. Maintaining the brand personality. Use Instagram stories to share the combination of the photos and videos to tease the new product. Take viewers behind the scenes or play with the center, looking like the face filters, drawing tools, polling stickers, answering the questions, ask me a question, give me the quiz answer, and hence, which increases the audience engaged in that particular content, that particular feedback, that particular post, and obviously will give you some of the feedback if they are feeling good to your services. If they activate or if they want the services, they will be there to contact you. Hence, it increases your productivity, your services, your loyalty to your customers. Do you pay attention to your profile visits/customers? If you are looking to grow your business on Instagram, not only business/services on Instagram with a highly targeted audience along with the real and organic engagement, our agencies, our services can provide the top-notch marketing services that will boost you to the next level. This maintain the our strategies. You can do everything. Watch the YouTube videos, watch our tutorials which is coming very soon. This will teach you everything about the Instagram marketing. I will be uploading the different playlist about the Instagram marketing, where you will be getting the knowledge about the theories, practicals, and how to apply, how to create, how to maintain each and everything you will be knowing very soon. So please be stick with us. That is all for today. Hope you guys do enjoy it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. And yes, please do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have got some quality content. Thank you for watching everyone. We'll see you next time. Some another Instagram growth hack strategies topic and so on about Instagram marketing, digital marketing tips and tricks. Thank you so much.